red velvet doesn't match with anything in the interior of my Accord. So I'm gonna remove it and wrap it again. It was really bad, so it was coming off, it was ugly, everything was messed up. I wrap it with this velvet just because that's what I have at the time. Now I'm gonna change it to black. I just gotta remove these 3 screws right here and get it out so I can take it inside and start wrapping this part. Remember last time when I did this, I put a lot of glue in here, so the glue is really strong. It went through, so I had to do a better job with the glue, put less. But if you can see, this part right here is already getting old. You guys know the preparation is key. I had to remove all the glue from the armrest. I'm using glue gun, brush, knife, and I'm getting everything out. This is the part that is the most boring part, time consuming, but if I want the new material to stick to the armrest, I need to do this process. Plus I have a little company here, someone who's helping me. Say hi, mama. I have my piece right here. All the glue, I remove all the glue, clean it. Spend a good time doing this process, but you have to have it clean. Now I'm gonna clean it with alcohol, and for this process I get myself Gorilla Glue. This episode is not sponsored, but I'm gonna link this glue in case you need some. This is a heavy duty spray adhesive, so hopefully this one works good. I'm gonna spray this, let it sit for like a minute so it dries a little bit. After that, I'm just gonna put the fabric. Just trying to avoid wrinkles, so you have to work the fabric on all the edges and corners. Once you do that, cut the excess. I'm just gonna put some extra glue inside, then I'm gonna put the cover, and this is done. Some places you have to cut it just to fold the fabric and you don't have wrinkles. I don't see any wrinkles. You have to take your time when you fold it so you don't create those wrinkles like I have few in here, but we can just work the fabric, make sure that it stays straight. And there you have it. Now this part is complete. I'm gonna grab the back piece. Put my screws. I wasn't sure if I was gonna make an episode about this because this is simple, but those little details, that's what it counts. So I think this is the beginning of getting the car blacked out on the inside. If you can see, it works really good. It looks really good. I like the way it turned out. Now I just gotta put it back on the car and we'll have this part done. Back here in the car, I just gotta put those 3 screws and we're done with this installation. If you guys remember, this one used to be red, an ugly red. This is velvet. Probably it's not gonna stay like super clean. I might have to clean it with the microfiber towel. But if you see, no wrinkles, everything looks really good. I think that Gorilla Glue works really well on this velvet. I think it looks awesome. Probably some people are gonna disagree because there is a lot of haters out there, but it doesn't matter. Everything else in the interior black. I'm gonna start now. I'm gonna go to the junkyard and get me some black seats, and after that, seat belts, probably the dash, the roof, A pillars, B pillars. I'm gonna change everything little by little. So this is the first part. Now it looks a lot more decent. Tell me what you think about this, guys. I hope you like this episode. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.